Oh, what's up? Didn't see you guys there.
Where are we going?
Yeah, we're going to the SIAM Waterpark. It's pretty much, I mean, the #1 rated water park in the world, but...
All right, so Jason, tell them about the water park. How big it is.
7 slides in the adrenaline section.
Adrenaline, guys.
There's some other sections too. The other sections are the chill section and the drinking section. Yes, sir, we're on the way. You know what it is. SIAM Waterpark. About to get lit.
Yeah, I'm
gonna be hungry, but I can eat at like 5:30. Muchas gracias.
Gracias.
Underwater video is coming soon, baby. Smacker Rooskies.
All right, guys, so we are here finally ready and ready to party.
Fooded up, drank up, we ready, baby. We jumping in.
So we're going to the lazy river here.
Yeah?
I think we can take it on. I think. I hope so. Maybe. I'll try to hide it. But yeah, let's see if we can take our beer on this lazy river.
Alrighty. We're going down. Hey, it's not so lazy. We're going kind of fast. You guys, are you coming? What's up, guys? SIAM Park, baby. What you mean? You know we out here. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Woo! Turbo boost. Yeah. Hi, Tony.
Say hi.
What's good? What's good, GoPro? I mean YouTube.
YouTube.
I'm gonna post it to GoPro.com. Go find us on GoPro.com.
Out here partying with the infants and families. We're raging. No beers in hand.
Yeah, no beer.
We love it. We love it. Say something funny. Say something funny.
Something funny.
My head is right by you. I mean, we're going backwards up. We're not locked in, so.
Thank you. Woohoo! What you're seeing is behind the scenes. Like, I don't think anyone has this recording out of all of YouTube. #1 vlog, okay?
Oh shit. Okay. Oh my god, there's like a playground. That was always my favorite shit. No, I cannot. We're going too slow. I cannot go backwards.
I think Sarah's ready to go under.
Please do not. Please do not. I need more water for that.
I need water, aka vodka.
Yeah, dude, it's fucking huge.
Alright, so the drop is coming.
Tony, you go first. This is the front.
Okay. Oh, this is the front?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on.
Holy, wait a minute. This is not right. This is not right. Woohoo! Holy shit! Woohoo! Oh! Okay. Oh, okay. Whoa! Oh my God! That was not even the biggest water slide. It was a huge one, like a tower of something. We'll ride that later. Unreal, man. I'll try to hide it like I did last time, but I don't know. We're going to the Tower of Power. I think it's the best water slide of the whole world, man. The whole world is number one. I hope it's, is it open? Oh my God. Whoa. Damn, yeah, it's open. No, camera, no? Okay. All right, guys, we can't film, so we'll have to leave you guys here. All right, guys, so we just finished up with the water park. Let's see how it went. How'd you guys love it?
Fucking sick.
That was fucking sick.
Awesome.
That was very fun.
What was your favorite part?
The one, Kinazi, or whatever it was called, Kimazi. Like when it threw us up, and we were all just like, what's fucking happening right now?
Oh yeah, yeah, that was sick. Hey, what was your favorite part?
The dragon was cool too.
The dragon.
The dragon
was cool too.
On this little boy. Yes. And we screamed once, and we were like, ah! And he just like a 7-year-old kid just like sitting there.
Boom, boom, boom. We gotta hold on to what we got.
Let's get in here, bro.
Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Woo, living out of prayer.
You really hit that note.
Yeah. Cheers, bro.
Cheers, bro.
All right, guys, what's up? Welcome to the
what?
crib. I'll edit it to make it be like, welcome to the crib.
Okay.
All right, let's go, guys. So, we are about to take our second shot, okay? Let's take our second shot.
Hey, I'm Jay Nasty, and this is Facing Your Fear.
Facing your fear,
Fear
man.
factor, if you will.
Fear Factor.
The 800th time we've heard this song the last 4 days. I mean, no.
There we go, let's go. All right, guys, so this is shot number 2, round number 2. We're about to go out before 1 a.m. tonight, okay? That's
Oh,
good.
actually, you didn't pour you one, sorry.
Cool.
It's good. After all of that.
Yep. We're recording here, so.
I'm
We
Jax.
in the studio.
All right, guys.
Am I supposed to be down here?
I'm Jax, and this is the Shooter Booter. This is the Shooter Booter by Jax.
Those are getting weirdly easier.
So, there's a little secret ingredients in this.
Don't even go there.
That's
Don't
what
even go there.
That's what
In this game, why does 2 bottles of wine become the standard now? We're getting classier.
All I'm saying is Tony, back when I said Tony tried to get...
Sorry, you're riding the bus, baby.
Fuck you, too.
I hope you brought your seatbelt. Can you hold this?
Yes.
Thanks, Vanna White.
Hi YouTube, this is Red Channel.
Chug. Now you have to. You owe me 2 beers. Wow. Now she listens because the camera's on her.
All right.
That was 1.
I listen to you no matter what you know.
Shit.
As we're riding the bus here, Jason is gonna have a good time.
Bro, is that funny there's a bus on there?
Explain the rules of this
All right,
game.
so the rule is you're gonna start from one side, and he's trying to travel all the way across the island. Oh, that sucks.
Good stuff.
No?
Yeah, go for it.
Oh no. Oh no, this is the easy way out, baby. This is the easy way out. This is the easy way out. This is the easy way out. Oh!
That's good.
That's
That's
not a
good.
fence card. Easy way out, baby. Oh! Oh, fuck.
Oh no.
And starts from the beginning. That happened last time too. Holy shit.
Yeah, it was a jack as well.
Running out of cards here. Better not
Waiting.
fuck up. I think this is your last, so we only have 3 more cards, so you better not fuck up, okay? Here you go.
Oh, fuck.
You're allowed that fuck up.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat up there.
Yeah, it looks fire. What are you gonna eat?
I'm fucking starving.
What are you gonna eat?
I'm gonna eat that.